Umani ng batikos ang umano'y vote extension ni Garin pabor kay Congressman Kiko Barsaga. Sa kaniyang pahayag, iginiit ni Kiko na mas nararapat umanong ituon ang pansin sa isyu ng dingvaxia at ang naging epekto nito sa publiko kaysa palitang paratang sa politika. At ito ang kanilang mga pahayag.
Nakakaawa ang kanyang distrito na kailangan ng representante. With that, Madam Speaker, distinguished colleagues, with the indulgence of our colleague, the Honorable Kiko Barsaga, he would understand that our action is because we are a Filipino and our government deserves the service that we have to generate and deliver. Thank you very much, Madam Speaker.
Majority Leader.
It's very dramatic. Actually, mas mabuti kung maawa siya dun sa mga naapektuhan ng dingvaxia because that's actually the mothers there face far more than whatever I'm facing now. Because losing 2 months in Congress or even losing my position, facing suspension or expulsion, these are very small compared to the problems that the average Filipino citizen face. And me, I can afford to lose my job here in Congress, but the average Filipino citizen, especially now when we're facing severe economic instability with plenty of issues, it's going to be very hard for the average Filipino citizen. And I think that we should be more focused on putting our emotions should be more focused for them rather than people in Congress. Because everyone here in Congress will already have well-built lives.
At yan ang pinakahuling update, so aabangan ang susunod na ulat.